Morning everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine and feeling relaxed after your exams. Students, today I am going to start chapter number 14, perimeter, area and volume. So let's start. First of all, what is the meaning of perimeter? Fine. Let us suppose a closed figure. Perimeter is only for closed figure, not for an open figure. Whenever we are talking about an open figure, open, it means no concept of perimeter. No concept, no perimeter. Like this. This is open figure. This figure is open. So here we have no concept of perimeter. When we are talking about perimeter, it means figure must be closed. Fine. Students, my video is visible to you, visible to everyone. Write down in the chat box. Video is visible, voice is audible. Okay, fine. Yes. Now, perimeter. So closed figure. So definition is distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. Distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. So your figure must be closed. Let us suppose this is a closed figure. So how can we find the perimeter of this figure? Look here. This is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. Now, to find the perimeter of this figure, outer boundary. This is very much compulsory. Boundary, outer boundary. You will not consider this inner portion, this outer boundary. So let us suppose I am going to start with A. First of all, from A to B, outer boundary like this, A to B. So AB plus then B to C, BC plus then C to D, CD plus D to again A. So starting point and ending point both are same. Look, मैंने कहाँ से स्टार्ट किया था? A से, और मेरी एंडिंग भी कहाँ पे आके हुई? A पे. So this is the concept of perimeter, outer boundary. One more thing, if I am talking about this triangle A, B, C, this question is for Adnan. Adnan, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Adnan, tell me, how can you find the perimeter of this triangle? Tell me the formula.
Ma'am, sum of all length.
Sum of all length. Tell me, select any vertex, na? Select any corner and tell me how can you write here?
Ma'am, AB plus
Yes.
BC
Let us
plus
suppose
CH.
you want to start with A. Adnan want to start with A. So first of all, from A to B, it means, and this is your wish, This is not compulsory कि you will always go from A to B. Your wish, you can also move from A to C. So this is A to B. So you will write AB. After that, Adnan.
Ma'am, BC.
Yes, BC. Because आप यहाँ पे आ गए, AB means B पे आ गए. Then from B to C, it means BC. And after that, from
MCA.
C. Very good. C to A. So look, starting point, ending point, both are same. Very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Now write down the formulas. This is the formula that we will use to find the perimeter of a triangle, and you can also write sum of all sides. Your wish, use any. Either use this, and one more thing, it is not compulsory to assign A, B, C. Your wish, either write L, M, N or P, Q, R. A, B, C, not compulsory. Your wish, assign any names to the corners. And this is the formula, sum of all sides. Write down this formula in your notebook. This formula we will use for rectangle or for any figure. Fine? Rectangle, triangle, sum of all sides. Sum of all sides, this formula we will use in each and every figure. Fine? Now come to the square. Nisha? Nisha, unmute yourself.
Ma'am.
Nisha, tell me, what is a square? What is a square? What is the definition of a square? Students, write down in the chat box, what do you understand by the term square? Rayman Sharma, four-sided figure. Yes. Four-sided figure. This is not complete definition. Complete definition is four-sided closed figure with all sides equal. Closed figure. Closed figure having four equal sides. This is the definition. Closed figure having four equal sides. In square, all the four sides are equal. So for square, we have special formula of perimeter, 4 multiplied by side. Why 4 multiplied by side? Because all the four sides are equal. So your wish, either apply this formula, sum of all sides, or you can directly apply this formula. Perimeter is 4 multiplied by side. Fine. So come to the next. For rectangle. Rectangle. Now come to the rectangle. So rectangle is a closed figure in which we have opposite sides equal. Fine? Opposite sides equal. So again for rectangle we have special formula, perimeter. For perimeter you will use this capital P. This capital P is equal to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. This is the formula that we will use for rectangle. This is the formula that you will use for square. I am talking about perimeter only. No area, no volume. These two concepts we will discuss later. First of all, only perimeter. So perimeter of square is 4 multiplied by side. perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus B, as the opposite sides are equal. And for triangle, we have already discussed sum of all three sides. So note down all the three formulas. Note down. Yes, Kaushalinder?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes, tell me.
मैम हम ट्रायंगल में सम ऑफ लेंथ ऑफ 3 साइड्स की जगह 1 साइड इंटू 3 कर सकते हैं.
One side into 3, that you will apply in equilateral triangle only. That formula is applicable to equilateral in which all the three sides are equal. Scalar और isosceles में नहीं होगा वो. Fine?
ओके मैम.
Yes. Yes, Rachit?
मैम रेक्टेंगल का फॉर्मूला 2 इंटू लेंथ प्लस 2 इंटू ब्रेथ भी हो सकता है.
हाँ जी, बिल्कुल हो सकता है, पर आपको उसको अप्लाई करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप इसको करो, इससे आपकी कैलकुलेशन इजी होगी.
ओके मैम.
Now come to the exercise 14A and also write down these formulas in your fair notebook. Fine? So come to the exercise 14A. Question number 1. Find the perimeter of the sphere in which side is. Now come to the A part. First of all, same जैसे हम करते थे, given information. What is given? Which information is given to you? Side is given to you. Side is equal to 9 centimeter. This is given. And what is the question? Find the perimeter. So perimeter is equal to 4 multiplied by side. Now put the value 4 multiplied by 9. So this is 36 centimeter. Look, this centimeter is very much compulsory. Perimeter is the distance covered. Perimeter is distance covered. So unit of perimeter is same as distance. Is same as unit of distance. What is the unit of distance? You know na, kilometer, meter, centimeter. So in the same way, what is the unit of perimeter? If centimeter is given, then you will write centimeter here. If meter is given, then you will write meter here. If kilometer is given, then you will write kilometer here. It is very much compulsory to write this. Now come to the C part. Let's start with C part. Now students, write down in the chat box in the C part which information is given to you. Now come to the C part. Rahman, sides nahi beta, side only. Side. Sides nahi given, side given hai. So which information is given? Side is given. What is the side? 40 centimeter. Now tell me what is the formula? Formula for the perimeter is 4 multiplied by side. So 4 multiplied by 40. So this is 160 centimeter. So in the result, you will write perimeter is equal to 160 centimeter. Here also, in the result, you will write perimeter is equal to 36 centimeter. Apply the formula, put the value, you will get your result. Fine. And this formula 4 into side is only for the square, not for any other figure. This is only for square. You will not apply this formula in rectangle or in triangle. This is only for the square. This is standard result. So note down, then we will start question number second. Write down. Yes, Arab Bharadwaj.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Yes.
Ma'am, I raised hand to give the answer.
Now tell me, come to the second question. I am going to start second question. Now tell me, what is the first step in the second question? Question number 2A part. Tell me what is the step number 1 to solve second question.
Ma'am,
Yes.
first step is equal to given.
Very good. In the first step, we will write the given information. What is given? Tell me what is given information in the question number second. L stand for
Meter
length.
and breadth is equal to 4 centimeter.
Yes. L stand for length. Length is given 5 centimeter and B stands for breadth. Breadth is 4 centimeter. Now, tell me the formula. What is the perimeter of a
Ma'am?
rectangle? Yes.
2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
Very good. So 2 multiplied by length plus breadth. Now put the values. 2 multiplied by length.
2 multiplied by 9.
Yes.
5.
But first of all, you will put the values. What is L? L is 5 plus B.
5.
What is B? 4. So
4.
2 multiplied by 9.
Multiplied
So
by
18
Ma'am,
centimeter.
18 centimeter.
So what is the last step?
Result,
Yes,
perimeter
in the
is
result.
equal to 18 centimeter.
Very good. In the result, you will write perimeter is equal to 18 centimeter. So this formula is very much compulsory. This unit, this result in the end is very much compulsory along with this unit. You know na, agar aap unit nahi likhoge, your half marks will be cut. So very much compulsory to write given information, formula, and then result. Very good, Arav.
The result.
So if centimeter is given, so write centimeter here. अगर यहाँ पे मीटर होगा तो आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे? मीटर. अपनी मर्जी से नहीं लिखोगे यूनिट. Check which unit is given. If centimeter is given, then you will write centimeter here. Fine. Now note down and then we will start next question. Come to the C part. So students, write down in the chat box in the C part which information is given to you. In the C part, yes, Ishpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me which information is given in this question.
Ma'am, the information given is length and
Very
breadth. Length is equals to 10 meter and breadth is equals to 9 meter.
Breadth is equal to 9 meter. Now, what is the formula?
Ma'am, formula is perimeter is equals to 2 multiplied by length plus breadth.
And one more thing, bracket is very much compulsory. You will not write like this 2L plus B. This is wrong. Okay, all the students pay attention. This bracket is very much compulsory. If you will write like this 2L plus B, तो बेटा ये ऐसे लगता है जैसे ये 2 सिर्फ L के लिए है. But this 2 is for L as well as for B. So very much compulsory to put this bracket. Now, Ishpreet, tell me the next step.
Ma'am, next step is 2 multiplied by 10 plus 9 meter.
Yes. So, no need to write unit here. We will write unit in the starting or in the end. Fine. Otherwise, आप mistake कर दोगे यहाँ पे. So,
Ma'am,
now,
then 2 multiplied by 19.
yes. Then 2 multiplied by 19 will give you 2
Ma'am,
multiplied
38.
by 19 will give you
Ma'am, 38.
38. Now tell me, Ishpreet, you will write here what, centimeter or meter?
Ma'am, meter.
Why you are writing here meter?
Ma'am, because in the question it's given.
Very good. Because in the question now meter is given, not centimeter. Now in the question meter is given, so we will write here meter, not centimeter. Fine. So in the result, you will write
Perimeter.
perimeter is equal to 38 meter. Very good. Well done. Now note down and then we will start question number 3rd. Beta, this exercise we will discuss only today. Rest we will do after the winter break, and tomorrow I will discuss algebra worksheet with you. Fine. And that algebra worksheet, after discussion, I will give you in holidays homework. And you will complete that algebra worksheet during your holidays. Fine. So this exercise we will discuss today only. Jitna ho gaya. जो रह गया that after the winter break. Fine. Now come to the third question. Third question is find the perimeter of the triangle whose sides are. Fine. So you will write like this. Given information. What is given? Sides. Sides are 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter. Sides are, 3 sides are given to you. Now, perimeter of a triangle. In triangle, formula is sum of 3 sides. This is the formula. Sum of 3 sides. So, this is 3 plus 4 plus 5. 7 plus 5 will give you 12 centimeter. Very easy formula. In square, you have 4 into side. In rectangle, you have 2 into L plus B. And in triangle, you have direct sum of all 3 sides. Plus kar do, jo given hai. 3, 4, 5, add all. So you will get 12 centimeter. Yes, very good. Now come to the next. Write down, then we will start question. Then we will start C part. Now, Rahman, tell me how can we solve this?
Ma'am, first we will write the given information, which are sides.
Yes, given information is sides. Sides are given to you. Sides are 50 centimeter.
50 cent.
Yes, 50 centimeter, 40 centimeter, 60 centimeter. Rahman, tell me the formula for that we will use for triangle.
Sum of all the 3 sides.
Perimeter is sum of all 3 sides. Very good. So sum means plus. So this is 50 this is 40 and this is 60. So 50 plus 40.
90,
Yes. 90
90
plus
plus 60, 150 centimeter.
Very good. 150 centimeter. This is finished?
No, ma'am, result is
Yes. Result. What is the result? In the result, you will write, yes, perimeter is equal to 150 centimeter. So like this, you will solve this sum. Fine. Very good. Well done, Amanpreet Singh. Next. Next is the concept of area. Note down, then we will start next concept, area. After writing, write down in the chat box we have done. Good. Now students, listen. Stop writing everyone. No need to write. Fine. After that I will give you time for writing. Look here, area. Perimeter, in perimeter, look. This is a duster. If I am talking about perimeter, then perimeter is the outer boundary of this duster. Look, this is rectangular, na? This is in the shape of rectangle, front portion. So perimeter is, this is 1, 2, 3 and 4, outer boundary. But if I am talking about area, then area means this inner portion. Inner portion. Suppose मैंने ये डस्टर को ये बुक के ऊपर रखा है, ठीक है? I place this duster on my book. बेटा ऐसे करने से इस डस्टर ने ये बुक का कुछ पोर्शन कवर किया है ना, ये वाला, ये पोर्शन, ये मेरी बुक है. अगर डस्टर को आप बुक के ऊपर रख दोगे तो बुक का ये जो पोर्शन है ये कवर कर लिया किसने? डस्टर ने, डस्टर के ये वाले पार्ट ने. So this covered portion by duster, covered portion, okay, by the surface, इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? Surface. This is known as surface. Surface. So the portion of book covered by the surface of this duster is termed as area. So inner portion. If I am talking about area of this rectangle, then area means this surface, inner portion. This is the area. This is area. Perimeter is outer boundary. जब हम बाहर घूमेंगे बाहर तो उसको हम बोलते हैं perimeter. But when we are talking about the inner surface, अंदर वाला, ये वाला, then this is termed as area, inner portion. And unit of area is square. Square meter, square centimeter, square kilometer. Okay, so you can also write this as meter square, centimeter square, kilometer square. So these are the units for area. Write down in your notebook. Very important. Perimeter unit is the same as the unit of distance. Simple. Centimeter, meter, but the unit of area is meter power 2. Centimeter power 2. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Power 2. So kilometer power 2. आपको ऐसे लिखना है, ऐसे लिखो, ऐसे लिखना है, ऐसे लिखो. Your wish. No compulsion. Either write like this, square dot meter. Why dot? Because this is the shortcut. So square dot meter or meter square, your wish, write anything. Fine. So note down, then I am going to explain the formulas. After that, I will explain the formulas of area. So area means this surface, inner surface, not outer. Outer means perimeter and inner means area. So write down the units. Then in this chapter, we will discuss the area of square and area of rectangle only. Now area of square. Area of square. As you know, in square, all the four sides are equal in length. So area is side multiplied by side. Okay. And area of rectangle is length multiplied by breadth, L into B. And you can write this as S into S also. Your wish, either write side into side or write S into S. Here either write complete length into breadth or L into B. So these are the formulas that we will use for area. In the exam, students, in the exam, sometimes perimeter and area word is not given to you in the question. Okay, so read your question very carefully. Try to understand वो क्या बात कर रहा है, outer की बात कर रहा है कि inner की बात कर रहा है. If the question is based on outer, then you will apply the formula of perimeter. But if the question is based on inner, अंदर वाला portion, then you will apply the formula of area. So this is your understanding, और understanding हो जाएगी बेटा अगर आप practice करोगे तो. Fine. So write down the formulas. Then we will start question number 4. Who will read question number 4? Yes. Rachit.
Yes, ma'am.
Rachit, read question number 4.
What will be the labor charge of tiling a hall 22 meter long and 14 meter wide at the rate of rupees 8 per square meter?
Rachit, according to you, if I am talking about tiling a hall means hall में tile लगाना, है ना?
Yes,
तो
ma'am.
आपको क्या लगता है? This is a concept of perimeter or concept of area?
मैम एरिया.
कैसे? Explain.
मैम क्योंकि वो टाइलिंग जो होती है मैम वो हॉल के अंदर होती है मैम, उसके बॉर्डर पे नहीं होती.
हाँ, अगर हम अपने घर की बात करें तो हमारे घर में जो टाइल्स लगी हैं, है ना, वो कहाँ लगी है? बाउंड्री पे थोड़ी ना लगी है, हमारे रूम के अंदर लगी है. रूम के अंदर,
ma'am.
फ्लोर पे, रूम के अंदर, ना कि बाउंड्री पे. सो दिस इज
Yes,
द
ma'am.
इंडिकेशन ऑफ एरिया. एंड वन मोर थिंग, rupees 8 per square meter. Per square meter is a second indication. Check square meter. Square
Yes,
meter
ma'am.
is the unit of area. So in this question we have two clues. One is inner, one is the tiling a hall. And we always apply hall in the inner portion. So this is the first. Second is square meter. So First of all, you will write the given information, and one more thing, students, you will not discuss about money in the starting. Okay, we will not discuss rupees 8 per square meter in the starting. In the starting, we will discuss about the concept of area. So given, what is given?
Ma'am, length
Length is
long
given
or wide?
22 meter, breadth is given 17 meter. Okay, tiling a hall. Length and breadth both are different. It means this is a rectangle.
Ma'am, formula length into breadth.
Yes, area is length into breadth. So apply the formula 22 multiplied by 17. Students, multiply and write down the result in the chat box. I am waiting. Rachit, start your multiplication and tell me the result. Yes. According to Hemang, 374. Very good. But not 374 meter, nahi beta. This is area. 374 square meter. Not meter. Square dot meter. Square meter. Okay. Now come to the cost. Stop writing everyone for 1 minute. At a rate of rupees 8 per. Per means 1. Per word is used for 1. So you will write in the second step. Second step is cost of 1 square meter is given to you 8. Rupees 8. This is given. But हमें किसकी कॉस्ट चाहिए? इसकी कॉस्ट ये आपको गिवन है. दिस इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन. पर मीन्स पर इज यूज फॉर 1 एंड हमें इसका फाइंड करना है. कॉस्ट ऑफ 374 स्क्वायर मीटर. So tell me, you will multiply or divide? Write down in the chat box. To find the cost of 374 square meter, you will multiply these two numbers or divide these two numbers. Very good. Well done. Well done. Multiply. Yes. So 374 multiplied by 8. So multiply and tell me the result. Well done. Because 1 के लिए आपको given है, आपने ज्यादा का find करना है. So we will apply the concept of multiplication. Yes, multiply and write down your result in the chat box. Yes, this is the result. So 2992. So this is the result. So in the result, you will write labor charge is equal to rupees 2992. And very much compulsory to write this thing. Okay. What will be the labor charge? So this question is based on labor charge. Labor charge means find out the amount. So the amount is 2992. So like this you will solve. In the starting you will not focus on cost. First of all you will focus on concept. क्या बात हो रही है? एरिया की बात हो रही है कि पेरीमीटर की बात हो रही है? So first of all you will find if area, then apply the formula of area and find out the value. अगर पेरीमीटर होता then apply the formula of perimeter and find out the value. Fine. So note down. Then we will start next question. Yes, finished. Beta, fifth question we will discuss later because we have not enough time. Fine. अपने माइंड में रखना, अभी हमने फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन अभी करना है. Fifth question. Now come to the sixth question. Okay, sixth question I will explain only. You will complete sixth question in homework. Sixth question is find the cost of painting a square board. Painting. Now who will tell Ishpreet? Ishpreet,
Yes, ma'am.
Ishpreet, tell me आपको क्या लगता है पेंटिंग पेंटिंग करनी है आपने, पेंटिंग आउटर बाउंड्री में होगी कि बोर्ड के बीच में होगी, इनसाइड?
Ma'am, area.
Area, very good. So painting a square board. Here. So we will apply the formula of area here. And what is the area of square?
Ma'am, area of square is side multiplied by side.
Same this question. Same we will solve the sum like this. Sixth question. Exactly same. Only the difference is यहाँ पे rectangle है, but sixth question में आपके पास square है. Same method. Here you will apply area is side multiplied by side. So what is 44 na? So 44 multiplied by 44. So 44 multiplied by 44. After that, similarly like this, cost of 1 square meter is यहाँ पे 8 है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में इशप्रीत क्या गिवन है आपको सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन में?
Ma'am, 7.
बस 7. सेम ऐसे ही सॉल्व करना है. द ओनली डिफरेंस इज दिस क्वेश्चन इज बेस्ड ऑन रेक्टेंगल एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 इज बेस्ड ऑन स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे हमने L इंटू बी लिखा. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में हम क्या लिखेंगे? साइड मल्टीप्लाइड बाय साइड. रेस्ट ऑफ द मेथड इज सेम. फाइन. So students, tomorrow, okay, we will do algebra worksheet. Not this chapter. This chapter जितना आज हो गया ठीक है. Remaining हम after winter break करेंगे. Tomorrow I will discuss algebra worksheet with you. Fine. So bye bye students. Okay, we'll meet you tomorrow.